That LYT file contains layout and UI definition data from Yokai Watch 2, the interface framework behind the Nintendo 3DS RPG's visual presentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you inspect or modify these game layout files. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional LYT file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. LYT files are layout data files from Yokai Watch 2 and related Level 5 games for Nintendo 3DS. They contain user interface screen definitions, menu layouts, CHUD element positions, and screen transition data used by the game engine for rendering interface elements. Yokai Watch LYT files use a binary format, storing UI widget hierarchies with position size animation and texture reference data for each screen element. They define button placements, text areas, icon grids, and animated UI components rendered by the game's interface system. The preferred application for managing the LYT file is Yokai Watch 2 from Level 5 Inc. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows lacks support for proprietary engine formats, so viewing or modifying these files requires appropriate software. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the LYT file and hit Open with Test Yokai Watch 2 if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. If your LYT file will not open yet, do not panic. If the LYT file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, inspecting the file. Use 3DS homebrew tools or Level 5 game modding utilities to inspect LYT file contents. Open the file in a hex editor to examine the binary structure. Community wikis for Yokai Watch. Modding may provide format documentation for parsing layout data programmatically. Next, modifying layouts. Extract LYT files from the game's ROM using 3DS ROM extraction tools. Modify layout parameters using community modding tools specific to Level 5 games. Repack the modified files into the ROM and test on a 3DS emulator like Citra to verify UI changes display correctly. Finally, community resources. Visit Yokai Watch, modding community forums and Discord servers for LYT format documentation and editing tools. Community members have developed specialized editors for Level 5 game formats. Share your layout modifications through established modding distribution channels. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.